If you want to have quality training, you got to get outside. Whatever you do, don't forget what is your main goal. Where you must beat your competition is in quality of training, because you cannot beat them in the massive numbers. You must know that not only by the quality of your training on skis, but also by the quality of your training on dry land is where you make a difference between yourself and the rest of the competition. If you want to beat your competition that lives on snow, that goes to school on skis, you need to train twice as hard as those guys. Skiing is a sport outside. 99% of my dryland training I have done outside. Use the nature to enrich your training. With training, we are also training our mental side. That you need to beat yourself every day, beat your own limits, push your own limits all the time. If you give everything you have, you might have a small chance. But if you don't give everything you have, you don't have a chance. Skiing has to make you feel good. When you come into the finish and you know that you have given everything you got and you're 28, it doesn't matter. You have skied your best that day and no one can tell you it was a bad day for you because you have skied, you gave everything you could. So 28 is good that day.
Okay guys, I know it's pretty tough to give everything every day, but you have to try really hard. You have to be serious, and you need to know that the way to the top is very long, and you need to be persistent. So find your motivation and keep going till you succeed.